You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from French. This is an area, a suburb near Paris, France, a commune, a town. And it's also an area of France. Sèvres is the French pronunciation here. If you want to learn more French pronunciation that is very useful, stay tuned. Sèvres, the S is silent. In American English, it's known as being, in the US in particular, a type of porcelain. Sèvres, Sèvres, English pronunciation, Sèvres, from French, Sèvres. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.